Jimmy da Jimmy.
I have Professor Tirthankar Bhattacharjee with me. Good morning, Prof. How are you doing?
I'm doing great. Thank you very much. How are you?
Very good. Apni Bangali.
Huh.
And what do you do at the Indian Institute of Science, Prof?
I'm a faculty member in mathematics department.
Okay. So I was reading that the Indian Academy of Sciences is has created this program for Science Week, and it's focused a lot towards innovative ways of interacting with kids and teaching them. Can you tell us a little more about the program?
Yes, Indian Academy of Sciences has what is called the Academic Trust, which was created in 2014
Okay.
to cater to school and maybe young college students.
Right.
The Indian Academy of Sciences was established by C.V. Raman long ago in 1930s, and it's geared towards higher research.
Okay.
But the Academic Trust created in 2014 is, as I told you, for disseminating knowledge among school students,
Okay.
the very young people. 28th February is National Science Day in honor of the fact that C.V. Raman announced his landmark discovery of what later came to be known as the Raman effect on this day in 1928.
Okay.
And he won Nobel Prize in 2 years' time.
Right.
And note that sometimes people have to wait 40 years
Wow.
for Nobel Prize for a discovery.
Right.
And this has happened. People have been awarded Nobel Prize much later for discoveries they did long ago.
Right.
But Raman won it in 2 years' time flat. Now, to celebrate this, I think in 1986, the government of India declared this to be celebrated as National Science Day. The first National Science Day was in 1987.
Okay.
This Science Day, we at the Academic Trust of the Indian Academy of Sciences decided to have a somewhat extended program for middle school students, high school students, and young college students.
Nice.
And for teachers as well, because students learn what teachers teach them.
Right.
So you need to work on the teachers as well.
Yes, true. So this is a week-long it's about an 8-9 day activity starting from this.
To begin with, yes.
Yeah.
The first phase of the program is perhaps 9 days, till next Sunday.
Okay. And in this program, what is the focus? What is the objective? Is it only focused towards teachers and talks, or are there experiential spaces for students as well?
So there are three things. Number one, talks by eminent scientists of India, like Professor Dipankar Chatterjee of the Molecular Biophysics Unit of Indian Institute of Science, Professor Rohini Golbole, who was in the Physics Department of Indian Institute of Science,
Okay.
and Professor Koninika Sinha, who is a mathematics faculty at Indian Institute of Science Education and Research, Pune.
Okay.
These are geared towards the high school students to entice them, to expose them to the beauty of science and mathematics so that they choose science as their career instead of perhaps something else. We need
Right.
more people in science all the time.
Right.
The second kind of program is for middle school students where people from the S2S education, again, the website, we have partnered with them for this. They're called Seed to Sapling Education. You can look them up on the web.
Right.
And this program is featured on their website with the registration link. They're a bunch of young people, and for the middle school students, they're going to interact with students. It won't be a one-way talk. They will actually interact with the students to perhaps supplement what is taught in schools. School teaching is often geared towards
Exams.
which it is bound to be.
Yes.
And it's important as well. So our effort there is to supplement this, to expose them to maybe what should be called mistake-friendly thinking. To make mistakes, and that's
Right.
all right.
I like that. Yeah.
And the third thing is, again, the Seed to Sapling will interact with teachers
Okay.
of schools to further their skills on how to encourage students.
All of this is these are all offline events, I'm assuming.
That's what we hoped and planned, but then Omicron came, so finally we had to unfortunately shift to online.
Oh, okay. So all of this is now, all of the talks and all of this is going to be online. So there is really no physical space that this is happening in.
That is right. So this has the advantage that anyone from anywhere in the world can.
Yeah, that is true.
participate.
That is true. So, for someone who wants to access this, where do they need to go, and what is the registration and all of that?
Right. Look up the very simple URL www.iaf.ac.in.
Right. Everything
It's
is there.
featured there. You will get everything:
Okay.
the brochure, the registration link, everything.
Awesome, awesome. Thank you, Professor, for talking to us. You're right. We need more people in the sciences, and I think that this is a great way to get them. Like you said, I like the word, entice them into the sciences. So good luck with the entire program, and thank you for putting it together.
My pleasure.
Take care. Bye.
Bye.